How to fix application not installed problem on Android. Hi everyone, this is Kate here and welcome back to the channel. And on today's video, we will learn how we can fix if you have app not installed error on your Android device. So without further delay, let's get into this video. So first of all, make sure that you have installed the installation from the unknown sources. So in order to enable that, you have to open up settings in your device. On the settings, tap on apps. Once you're here, scroll down and here you have to tap on special app access. Scroll down a bit and there's an option as install unknown apps. After that, you have to enable it for your file manager or the browser. So select the browser where you're having problem on and also the file manager, then you have to enable it. After that, go back and try to install the application again. If that still does not help you, then what you have to do is again head over to the settings. Now go back. Again, from the settings, you have to come to the apps. Once you're here, tap on See All Apps, tap on the three dot icon at the top right corner, then tap on Show System. So once you're here, tap on the search icon at the top right. Now you could search for something as package installer and then tap on it. Once you find package installer, tap on storage and cache and here tap on clear cache. You could also clear storage as well. Then tap on OK. After you do that, go back and try to install the application again. If that still does not help you, or if you have already installed the same application, for that, make sure that you install it before you are trying to install the new application and check if that works out for you or not. If not, now you have to check for your storage space. Sometimes if you have the low storage on your device, then you will face the installation issues. For that, you have to free up some storage in your device, then try to install the application again. And if that still does not help you, or if you have installed the application or if you're trying to install it from the SD card, make sure that you move the file to internal storage and then try again. So here, try to avoid your SD card installations. That's it. That's how you can fix if you have problem on the installation of any application on your Android device. If this video helped you, hit like button, drop a comment and do not forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.